guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller fast food review. Today we're headed to Arby's and I am trying their brand new Smokehouse beef short rib sandwich. Sounds really good, guys. You're not going to want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you guys know I really have not been doing many car reviews. It has been so hot here in New York. It has been very muggy, not really conducive to sitting in your car and frying while you're trying to do a fast food review, guys. But today, it's really cool. It's overcast, it's rainy, it's not really humid, so we're going to go out and do a food review. In the car. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are here and we are parked. I've got my sandwich. I got my napkins. And here it is, guys. $6.94. Let me take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed close-up. Alrighty, and here it is in all of its smoky glory. The brand new beef smokehouse short rib sandwich from Arby's, which ran me a total of $6.94. All right, and I asked her to cut this in half for me so I can show you the cross-section, guys. But let me take a little bit of a peek inside. And boy, oh boy, that Texas toast is really thick. I do have the fried onions underneath. I do see the barbecue sauce and the beef short rib. I don't see the cheese that's supposed to come on this. Alright, let's give it a shot, and I'll tell you exactly what I think. Okay, guys, and here is your cross-section. How does that look? That looks pretty good. But I do not see any cheese, and I'm a little bit... I'm lying, guys. I do see the cheese. It is ooey gooey. It is hidden. It is there. You can definitely see it now because it's all melted. That's why I don't see it. Check that out, guys. All right. Oh, yeah. Smoky, and smoky. It is really tender. It is melting in my mouth. The barbecue sauce is nice and sweet. All right. Enough messing around, guys. Let me take a bite of this, and I'll tell you what I think. Wish me luck. Salud. Wow, this is really good, guys. Smoky. The beef is really tender. It melts in your mouth. I do like the sweet compared to the onion, the crispiness of the onion. It's very nice mouthfeel. The bread. I thought the bread was going to be a disaster because I really don't eat thick bread like this, Texas toast. But with the barbecue beef, it really goes well. It absorbs a lot of the barbecue sauce, so it really adds a nice component to the sandwich, which I am not very used to. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. This is really good. You could stick this beef on anything and it would be a knock it out of the park hit. This is absolutely an Arby's blast it out of the universe, knock it out of this freaking world hit. I'm giving this a 10 plus. Go out and try it. It is expensive. There is a lot going on here, guys, and it is a substantial sandwich. Don't worry about the Texas toast, the thickness. It really is needed on such a sandwich that is a little bit on the wet side. but it's really, really good. You are really, really going to enjoy this. And like I said many, many times before, Arby's needs to be able to sell this to the public on demand. I should be able to go up to Arby's and buy a pound of roast beef so I could take it home and I could put it on anything that I want, because that's the way I think things should be. Does that make sense? Probably not. But anyway, it would be really, really nice to buy some of this this beef, bring it home, get a really, really big roll, scoop out the innards, just like put a whole bunch of beef in it, put a whole bunch of cheese in it, a little bit of fried onions and peppers, and make my own sandwich that's mine with this beef, and I think I would be in beef heaven. Anyway, that was my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check this sandwich out. You guys got the green light. Take care. Until next review, so long.